They will do wee-wees in just a minute.
No, I said a poo-poo.
Well, they'll do poo-poos once they've had some dinner. Okay.
Look at it! Look at him! Look at it!
Is it recording?
Yep.
Yes, it is.
I was right.
Okay, here we go then.
Dragon Monster.
First thing we need to do is get them out for a wee-wee.
Yeah.
So here's Mr. White.
Yeah.
And here's
Mr.
Green.
There's Mrs. Yellow.
And here's Mrs. Yellow. I don't know where the Mr. is and the Mrs. is. I should do by now, shouldn't I?
Well,
I think that's red without his
no, that one's red. That's white.
orange.
That's white.
Orange.
That's white. He is.
Blue.
No, red. He's white.
Yes, he is white, isn't he? Let's
So
put
he's
him
Mr.
back on the wee mat.
Molly, get out.
Come on, Molly.
Mrs. Purple.
Yeah, she's Burgundy, Miss Burgundy.
Miss Purple though.
Yeah. This one's Miss Dark Pink.
Yeah, Miss Dark. He's not.
And the last one is Mr. Sleepyhead. I think he's Mr. Red without the tag on.
Yeah, he's Mr.
So
White.
how many wees have we got?
Right now he's getting off.
We've got 1 wee, 2 wees, 3 wees, 4, 5, 6 wees, 7 wee wees. Right, so the next thing we need to do, Hayden, is we're going to get them
I've
all
done
to
lots
have.
of people in here.
Mm.
Look, he's getting off. He's getting off.
It's playtime now.
Yay!
So, what I want you to do, Hayden,
Yeah.
is I'm going to move the wee mat.
Yeah.
And I'm going to give it a little clean.
Okay.
And then I want you to sit over there. And I
Right.
want you to cuddle the puppies so that you're on video.
That one's over there, Mr. Blue.
Oh yeah, so yeah.
Ah!
Right, if you go and sit over there,
Whoa.
it's alright.
They just scratched my finger on accident.
Oh, excellent. If you go and sit over there,
Oh, next to Mr. Blue.
that's it.
Next to Mr. Blue. Oh!
And
Two is coming for me. Oh my god!
dark pink.
Oh my god.
Oh, he's fine.
He's up there all coming for me.
They're all coming for you,
I
Hayden.
know! Oh my god.
No, one's had a wee.
Yeah.
Oh, which one's that a wee?
That one.
Oh, bless you, Mr. Green. I had all the wee mats down a moment ago. Hello, Mr. Orange.
God, they've just picked up walking quick, haven't they?
Yeah.
They were coming for me a minute ago.
They
They're
will
like
do
literally
when
the past couple of days, isn't it?
it is just the last couple of days.
Dangrad.
Mm.
That one's biting.
Yeah.
They walk all over.
That,
That's alright, that's what, listen Hayden, that's what puppies do. They play bite.
They're learning how to be friends with each other. And they're not hurting each other at all.
It's
they're
just
just
playing.
biting.
It's just playing, that's
Play
all.
They're having a rustle.
Right. What do you think of Mr. Dragon then, hey?
He doesn't want to be with them because he's scared of dragons. He's scared of puppies. So he has to stay here and watch.
One of the things we have to do in week 3 is we have to teach them to recover quickly from unexpected things. So we go things like that, and they go, oh, and then they recover.
Well, they only week 3 weeks, are they?
Yeah, 3 weeks today.
When they grow up, they will...
Mr. Orange.
I'll go and check the video.
That was videoing, is it?
Yeah.
Yep, it's going.
It
Definitely
is.
going. Mum, you should be here. Mummy, you shouldn't be here.
Why not?
Because I'm here.
That's okay, I'm just watching.
I don't want you to be here. The puppies might... No, not the puppies don't like stuff.
Aww.
Let's make a big pile of puppies.
Can I go help them, Gavin?
Yeah.
You'll have to come and cuddle them, Hayden.
So I'm just going to go and get some trousers on so they don't scratch me.
Just, why don't you put a blanket on your lap, sweetheart?
Blanket. Here, done one.
I don't think that's a blanket, stop.
That's a towel.
Yeah.
It's alright.
There's a blanket in here.
Hey!
Can I have this towel, Dangra?
Yes, you can have that.
Yeah.
Dangra, let me have the
Was it
towel.
clean?
Yeah, it's clean.
Not to get back in.
Ronan, you put it on your lap then, Hayden.
Oh, just hitting all the outside. Oh, and for me, the other side for me. So I got a map.
Oh, someone else just had a wee.
Mr. White. Oh, yes.
Daddy's calling me. Mum,
Right, which one would you like, Hayden?
Mr. Blue.
Mr. Blue. Right. Oh, dear.
Oh, he wants to get out now.
Does he? Would you like a different one?
Yeah, I know. I want a different one.
Which one would you like?
Mr. Green.
Mr. Green.
They can get down on themselves.
Okay, go Hayden, there's Mr. Green.
Give him a straight, Hayden. Give him a
Oh,
straight.
Mr. Orange is jealous.
Oh no.
It's fine, Hayden. It's
Oh,
fine.
no.
It's fine. Give them a straight with your hands.
Give him a stroke.
Next, he's on.
Mm.
Hayden, it's fine. Hayden,
Which one would you like next, Hayden?
Hayden, it's fine.
He's near me. I don't like puppies near me. I only on here. I want to have Mr. Red over there.
Mr.
You
Dark
like it?
Pink.
Sat- Now, Hayden, carefully, carefully.
There you
Sit
go.
on your-
Mr.
sit
Red.
on your
I
lap.
want Mr. Red.
Oh, Mr. Dark Pink's my favourite.
Oh. He's
That's
getting
it. You give
down
him
now.
a stroke.
I just like doing it. Now can I have... Come on, get off. She won't get off. She won't get off, Dangrad.
I got her.
Oh, good.
What would you like next? Which one?
Mr. Red.
Mr. Red. Mr. Red.
Oh!
This one's Mr. Red, but he doesn't have his collar on at the moment. Is this the one you want?
Yeah.
There you go.
He likes me.
He does.
Eyes on my pants. Are you going to show my family?
Mm.
Are you going to show me and you?
Yeah.
Now he wants to get off. He wants to get off. He wants to get off now. Wants to get off. He's got off now.
Right. Now, I'm going to go and get some
This is yellow.
toys
Yay!
and put them in the middle.
Yay!
And then I'm going to take the camera off and do some off the tripod stuff. There you go. Mr. Teddy.
No, one's under there. One was under there.
And
Some. Yeah. Oh, I'm going to get some. I want to
what
get.
do you think of that? Doggies?
I'll get. I'm going to get some.
You want some toys?
I'm going to get some. I can't get through. There.
Well, I'll pass you stuff over and this is all wired up. What would you like?
This.
Okay?
they like it.